Hello guys, so I'm going to take you through the series of TextBlob, the quick start tutorial for TextBlob. TextBlob is a Python library for processing textual data. Textual data is like a data that is contained in terms in simple terms in text form. This text might come from maybe Twitter or from the SMS. So TextBlob provides a simple API for diving into common natural language processing tasks like the part of speech tagging, noun phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, n-grams, and many more. So I'm going to show you on this video. I'm going to show you on how to install TextBlob. First thing first we do in Python is to install the module of the package. So we are going to install the TextBlob in our Anaconda prompt. So open your Anaconda prompt. Maybe if you are not using the base environment, you can first activate your environment. Activate my environment. The environment I'm using is, but these are the environments that you create on your own, but the base is the environment that comes pre-installed in your Anaconda prompt. So first activate your environment. So after activating the environment, the second thing you're going to do is now to install the TextBlob. So you are going to use the pip install TextBlob. You can just copy this or type in your Anaconda pip install TextBlob and give it some seconds, at most 1 minute for it to install the TextBlob. When you're done installing the TextBlob, then it will as you can see, mine needs requirements already certified because I had already installed the TextBlob. You can maybe compare the versions you're using and mine. The version I'm using for TextBlob is 0.17.1. So after installing, now we can create our TextBlob so that we can use on our next video. So comment out this, then we can import our TextBlob. Import from TextBlob, import TextBlob. Then after installing, you are going to define a text that will be used to create the TextBlob. You can just maybe use any of the text. This is the text that I'm going to use. So this is the text that we are going to use to define our TextBlob. So let's define our blob is equals to TextBlob. Then you pass in the text. That's our text. Maybe you can just print it out on your Anaconda prompt. So Python, take the name of the file, textblob.py, text_blob.py. Click enter, run the program. So it prints the TextBlob as we defined it on our text editor. And this is the TextBlob we are going to use on our next video.